the other guarantee.
No. He's not who you think he is. I'm gonna get you.
Sound that makes me think of you somehow. Going back to
Pounds in pensions stolen in the largest armed robbery in British history.
And frustration.
There's another bloody layer.
There's someone who's done it before.
Stop. Zoom in like this and make mistakes.
Holmes, sir.
It's an unusual name for trouble.
Welcome to Colombia. What you want?
In the city of lost souls, where memory.
Hello everyone, it's Cine Select. So get your popcorn and let's get right into it. In this video, we will count down the top 5 best new thriller series in Amazon Prime Video in 2026. This year, Prime Video is redefining the genre with massive book adaptation, high-stake hits, and psychological mysteries led by some of Hollywood's biggest stars. From forensic investigation to futuristic cyberpunk, 2026 is shaping up to be a legendary year for thrillers. So let's examine which shows are worth your time and which ones are the most anticipated so far. Now let's start the video. But first, smash that like and subscribe button if you are ready for some serious suggestion. And we are guys only 915 subscriber, far away to reach 1k subscriber. So please like the video and subscribe to channel. And I hope guys I will get 10,000 subscriber from this video. So please like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's dive in. Number 5, 56 Days. It is a psychological erotic thriller series directed by Lisa Zwering and Karen Usser, based on the best-selling novel by Catherine Ryan Howard, starring Doug Cameron and Evan Jogia. The story follows Oliver and Kiara, two strangers who meet at a supermarket and embark on intense whirlwind romance. While the original novel was set in pandemic-era Dublin, this adaptation shifts the setting to present-day Boston. The narrative intercuts between the passionate beginning of their affair and a grim present-day investigation after a savagely murdered corpse surfaces exactly 56 days after their first meeting. It is a sexy, twist-filled mystery that explores how well we truly know the people we love. Number 6. Steel. It is a contemporary high-octane hit thriller starring Sophie Turner. The series follows Jara, an ordinary office worker whose life is turned upside down when she accidentally finds herself at the center of the heist of the century. Unlike typical professional thief stories, Steel focuses on the perspective of an amateur forced to navigate a world of elite criminals, corrupt officials, and high-stakes surveillance. The show blends pulse-pounding action with the psychological tension of a woman out of her depth, struggling to survive while uncovering a conspiracy that goes much deeper than just a simple robbery. It promises a fresh, fast-paced take on the classic heist genre. Number 3. Cross Season 2. The pulse-pounding crime thriller returns with Aldous Hodge reprising his role as the brilliant homicide detective and forensic psychologist Alex Cross. Based on the characters created by James Patterson, Season 2 pushes the story into a bolder, more dangerous chapter. Cross finds himself in a deadly game of cat and mouse with a ruthless vigilante aiming to bring down corrupt billionaire magnates. Joining the cast this season are Matthew Lillard and Jenny Mason, adding new layers of political intrigue to the Washington DC setting. The series continues to excel at showing the psychological toll of hunting serial killers, blending intense detective work with cross-personal struggle for justice. Number 4. Young Sherlock. It is a mystery-adventure thriller directed by Guy Ritchie, who returns to the world of the famous Salute following his hit film. This series serves as an original story, starring hero Fan Tiffin as a 19-year-old Sherlock Holmes. When he finds himself caught up in a murder mystery at Oxford University that threatens his family's reputation, Sherlock must use his raw, unpolished deductive skills to uncover a global conspiracy. The show offers a kinetic, action-oriented perspective on the legendary detective, emphasizing his rebellious youth and the formative phase that shaped his brilliant but troubled mind. It is a stylish, high-energy reimagining of the Sherlock mythos. Number 1. The Night Manager Season 2. After nearly a decade of waiting, the critically acclaimed spy thriller returns. Tom Hiddleston reprised his role as Jonathan Pine, the former soldier turned luxury hotel night manager who was recruited to infiltrate an international arms dealing ring. Season 2 takes the story beyond the original John novel, following Pine as he is pulled back into the shadows of global espionage. It is a masterclass in tension, combining glamorous international local tension with a cold, hard look at the corruption and betrayal inherent in the world of high-stake intelligence.